What's up guys, Tommy Kentner here, and we're going to install the tails for turn signals. And today, I'm really being a trooper. It is 3 degrees out here. So, let's hurry up and get these things in. Alright guys, let's see what comes with the tails for turn signals. And you'll get 2 of these to go on each side. And I went ahead and opted for the double reverse lights, so I had to buy those LEDs too. And it'll come with 2 sets of LEDs. It turns the actual turn signal into another reverse light. So that, and then they sent me a air freshener too. And this stuff is from Subaru Speed. So, alright, well, let's get it installed. You just remove this clip and that clip, and then just fold the panel down. Alright guys, and if you're going to run this as an extra reverse signal, all you do is take this T-tap, run it over, and this keeps you from having to cut into your factory wire harness, which you do not want to do. But you just do that, and then you'll take this red one and put it in here, and that's all you do. And then you put it, pull this down, and then it's gonna, you just push down on the clip and it pulls right out. And then you'll take this side of the clip, put it in here, and then you'll take the other side and put it in here. Alright, and then you will have to pull the bulb out. Factory turn signal out. Put new LED in. And if you put it in the wrong way, just rotate it 180 degrees. And it should work. This is your actual reverse bulb. So we're going to put the new LED in. Here's your new LEDs. And once again, if you put this in and it doesn't light up, all you have to do is turn it 180 degrees. Alright guys, and you just, these right here, just push in and then you turn them a half turn. Alright, this is the stock reverse light. And then this is the 2 new LEDs with the tails for turn signal extra reverse light. This is the stock turn signal. This is the tails for turn signals. Just a nice feature, and it looks a lot cleaner. Alright guys, this is what the finished product looks like. And like I said, I like using the tail lights as the turn signals better than the little amber deal that looks outdated. And that's what the reverse light looks like. So it's going to be a lot brighter now. And like I said, I just like the fact that you don't have to tap into the factory harness. And the install is the same on both sides. But overall, good kit. And with the LEDs and everything, I think it's like $120 shipped. So not too bad.